One thing we do want to point out, as severe weather season starts to kick it into high gear, scientists and engineers have a new tool to study the development and the structure of tornadoes. Take a look. Radars are the most valuable tool meteorologists use when tracking severe weather and tornadoes. Their resolution and accuracy has improved exponentially in the past few decades.
All right, are we ready?
This year we will have a new tool in our arsenal to study them and keep our community safe. This spring, the National Severe Storms Laboratory, NSSL, held a ribbon-cutting ceremony for the 3 new mobile radars.
All right, thank you.
NSSL Director Dr. Danae Carlis spoke at the ceremony to emphasize how these new mobile radars will save lives.
These radars will save lives. The data that comes out of these radars will provide you with the information and the critical decision-making information that you need in order to protect you and your family.
Meteorologists are weather geeks. We will take all the data we can get.
Rick Smith is a warning coordination meteorologist with the National Weather Service. He says these radars will help solve the mysteries of tornadoes.
The radars that we've seen here today with the ribbon cutting are going to be instrumental in studying tornadoes. Severe weather and tornadoes are still a mystery here in our area in North Texas and Oklahoma. We're always just looking to dig into the mysteries of tornadoes and learn more than we know now.
And as a certified weather geek, I can promise you that this tool will further help us solve those mysteries of tornadoes to help keep you and your family safe.
So, Damien, what is the biggest advantage that these new radars will bring to studying storms?
I kind of relate radar technology to cell phone technology. If you remember just like, 10, 20 years ago,
Yeah.
remember how bad our cameras used to be?
Yes.
And now they take like picture-perfect clear pictures. Yeah. Kind of the same developments that we've had with radars. Nowadays, these mobile radars, the images that they can take of these storms, almost crystal clear, way better than what we had just even 10 years ago.
So how close do these radars need to be to the storms to bring in data?
Well, fortunately for these radar technicians, they're not storm chasers, so we don't have to get as close as we would if we're chasing tornadoes. But the thing is, since these mobile radars, they can get a lot closer to the storms, to the tornadoes, than our regular radars can, because our regular radars, they're just fixed, so they just look at one point. But these radars can get so close that they can see the lowest levels of the atmosphere to get the picture-perfect ideal version of those images from tornadoes.
That's fascinating. And you don't want to wish a tornado, but when it happens, it's good that we've got this technology now. It's exciting.
Right. But the best news of all, these radars will help save lives.
All right, Damien, thank you very much. It's fascinating stuff.